Alright guys, this video is about USD JPY. The pair is affected by whatever economic or geopolitical development we see in Japan and in other part of world which is affecting US dollar. In previous video which was about Euro USD and GBP USD, I already discussed the situation of Iran conflict which has been affecting US dollar index as well as oil and other instruments. So I wouldn't like to bore you by speaking the same thing. However, there is a new development from Iran. Yesterday, Iranian leaders already stated that it was total, backing of by the Trump or market manipulation by the Trump. They never agreed that there was any negotiation ever happened. They totally denied any negotiation. And today, it became even clearer when a statement from Ali Nigzat came in the market that there was no negotiation between Trump administration and anyone from Iran, and there is no any such scheduled negotiation or talk on the table. So uncertainty of Iran conflict continues. US dollar index will remain elevated and supported, which is why USD JPY will keep going to the upside. The movement to the upside has already resumed after yesterday's fall. Now let's look at what's happening in Japan. Recently, a statement from Japan came, especially from Atsushi Mimur, about the intervention, indirect methods of intervention, that they are closely looking at the market and they will take some action if needed if the currencies will be devalued a lot. So the basically what was implied by this statement that they may intervene in the market. In the past, 160 has always been the level where Bank of Japan intervened. So 160 remains the main resistance level. So whatever buy positions we are going to enter, we are going to exit before 160. So this is the current scenario of USD JPY. You can enter buy as the if you look at the 30-minute time frame, you can already see that the price has entered into the Ichimoku cloud, which has already given sufficient support. It is above the lower line of Ichimoku cloud. So aggressive traders have already entered the market. Conservative traders may wait for the breakout above the upper line of the Ichimoku cloud and they can enter then. Still, there will be many pips on the table for targeting 160 even if you enter after the breaking of the Ichimoku cloud. So if you are a conservative trader, you can wait a little bit, and half an hour time frame have been working really well for USD JPY while using Ichimoku cloud. So that's all in short. Let's go buy once it breaks Ichimoku cloud, target 160. That's all.